Welcome back. Double airport taxi drivers staged a protest following reopening of controversial STC rent-a-car counter on Wednesday. However, owner of STC counter, Fayaz Mahmood, claims he has all permissions from the Airport Authority of India. The drivers created ruckus at the airport premises in the evening. Both parties have now been summoned by the Deputy Collector of Mormugaon on 2nd October to resolve the issue. Double Airport witnessed ruckus on Wednesday evening. Yellow and black taxi drivers were annoyed as the controversial STC counter was reopened. STC claims they have all the requisite permissions.
सब परमिशन है आपको फ्रॉम होम होते किसके पास से आपको ये चालू करने को बोला कौन बोला है आपको इस गोवा गवर्नमेंट एज वेल एज एयरपोर्ट के पास से परमिशन है आपके पास ओके अभी ये शोर मचा है उसके ऊपर कुछ कहना चाह रहे हो आप इनके जो ये लोग
कोण इल्लीगल येता म्हणून ते धांवताले इल्लीगल टॅक्सी भायल्यान येताय ते तांकां ऑथरायज ना न्हू ते येता म्हणजे तांकां कंट्रोल करपाक गेल्ले आसतले
आणि तो काउंटर ओपन जाला म्हणजे बंद करपाक लायला कितें
बंद करपाक लायला तांकां ऑलरेडी ऑथॉरिटीन एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटीन हें दिल्लें आसा स्टार्ट कर म्हणून परमिशन जाल्लें आसलें.
Earlier, Dabuli MLA Movin Gudino too had raised the issue of airport, taxi and STC rent-a-car agency. Reporter Dishan Parab for Prudent. India's boxing queen Mary Kom won a gold medal on the 12th day of Incheon Asian Games on Wednesday. This is the first Asian Games gold medal in the illustrious career of Mary Kom, who has won the World Championship for a record 5 times. Moving over to athletics, Tintu Luka added another silver medal to India's kitty as she finished second in the 800 meters race. Indian women clinched a bronze medal in hockey as they beat Japan by 2-1. India meanwhile finished 6th in women's basketball.
Here then representing India is Mary Kom, 31 years of age. She's won world titles just about everywhere. A flurry of punches here. A right-left combination from Mary Kom. Trying to impose herself more on the fight, you feel now. The second round went to Mary Kom. In fact, in the first round it was 10-9, 10-9, 10-9 to the Kazakhstan woman. Mary Kom came fighting back and then she impressed all three judges in the third round. It is Mary Kom from India. Mary Kom. How richly she deserves.
Time of 1 minute 59 seconds to win India's 11th athletics medal.
Here's Jia. Jia might catch the tiring Tintu, but no, Mukasheva set on Tintu.
And no sooner have they got level, Japan have conceded a goal. Great finish, simple finish. Vandana makes it 2-1 to India. Ticks down, the hooter will go, and India win the bronze medal. Revenge for Guangzhou 4 years ago when they were beaten after extra time by the Japanese.
On a search for possession, Sidhu puts herself in space very nicely. Scalia, a call up. There was time, and again the effort missed. The field goal percentage dropping.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.